Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Girls, last time we had discussed the elections of 1945 and 46 in the Central and Provincial Legislative Assembly, in which Muslims got this splendid victory and they got 10% seats in the Central Legislative Assembly and 428 out of 492 seats in the Provincial Legislative Assembly. Now, today we are going to discuss the Cabinet Mission Plan, which came to India with the purpose and plan that the handing over the government to the Indians after the departure of the Britishers from the subcontinent. Now, open your books and let's see the discussion on page number 59. Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The new Labour government of the Great Britain, it was inclined towards Congress. It sent a cabinet mission comprising of 3 members of the cabinet mission to discuss and plan transfer of powers from the British government to the Indian leadership. The mission was consisted of Lord Patrick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps and Mr. A.V. Alexander. Therefore, the mission was known as Cabinet Mission, and after negotiation with leaders, it reached a conclusion that without Muslim League, no solution of India was possible. Now, the first question which you have to write with it is, why was Cabinet Mission sent to India? Again, note down, why was Cabinet Mission sent to India? So, you will write in these 4 lines that when the new Labour government of the Great Britain, it inclined towards the Congress, it sent a cabinet mission comprising of 3 members of the cabinet mission to discuss and plan the transfer of powers from the British government to the Indian leadership. Now the next question, as I told you, was name the members consisted of cabinet mission. The mission was consisted of Lord Patrick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps and Mr. A.V. Alexander. Clear? Now come to the proposal. Here, in total these are 6 proposals, and out of 6 proposals in class 8 book we have discussed only one proposal which divided the provinces into 3 groups. That is Group A, Group B and Group C. Group A, it consisted of all Hindu majority provinces. Group B consisted of Punjab, Sindh, KPK and Balochistan, and Group C comprises of Bengal and Assam. So in Group B and Group C, it included all the Muslim majority areas, and Group A consisted of all Hindu majority provinces. The question was that only those party would be given the authority to make up the government who will accept all these proposals. So what was the result? Muslim League accepted all the proposals, but Hindus, they accepted few parts of it and rejected few parts of it. Clear? So first of all, write down the question with this point. Write the provincial division made by the cabinet mission. Write down the provincial division made by the cabinet mission. So you will write cabinet mission divided provinces into 3 groups. You will write Group A, Group B and Group C. Now federal government had 3 ministers. All rest of the authorities, they were with the provinces. And most important feature of this proposal was that any province could establish its independent government after 10 years. So this feature, it was very alarming for the Congress, because there was an opportunity given to the Muslims that they can have their independent government after 10 years. How? If Group B will combine with Group C, so they will become much more strong than the Hindu majority. So write down the question with this line. What was the most important feature of this proposal? What was the most important feature of this proposal? So you will write, most important feature of this proposal was that any province could establish its independent government after 10 years. This was basically the alarming point for the Congress, but it was good for the Muslims. It was also proposed that Muslim League and Congress may join the federal government. Now, making government in province was conditioned with the acceptance of proposal, that only those people will make the government in the province, only those parties will make the government in province, that condition with the acceptance of the proposal, who will accept the proposal. Now, Muslim League granted full acceptance to proposal, but Congress accepted only one part and rejected other. As I told you, that there was an opportunity given to the parties that they can have their own government, that they can rejoin, that they can join group B and C and can make their own government. So that's why Muslim League accepted all the proposals, but Congress accepted only a part and rejected the other. Clear? So, write down the question on this page. What was the condition of making government in provinces? What was the condition of making government in provinces? So, there is one line answer. Making government in province was conditioned with the acceptance of proposal, that only those parties they can make the government in the province if they will accept the proposal. Clear? Now the next question, what was the reaction of Muslim League and Congress regarding the acceptance of cabinet proposal? So you will write from here, Muslim League granted full acceptance to proposal, but Congress accepted only one part and rejected the other. This is the answer of your this short question. Thank you, girls. Do these questions in your copies and take care. Allah Hafiz.